Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this very low hour, wonderful condition, limited use, Pratt Whitney 12-inch vertical shaper. This machine is a model B12. They call it a B12-inch, serial number 23352. This machine happens to be our stock number 5759. First and foremost, we'd like to point out the fact that this machine is extremely heavy pattern and it's in absolutely amazing condition. We call it very limited use, very low hours. It was just released from long time standby storage. And we're absolutely thrilled at Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City to own this machine. The machine's currently running at 220 volts. That being said, it's in our main warehouse here at Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City, Utah. And we're honored to have Mr. Frank available to show us some of the features and how this machine performs and runs. That being said, let's go ahead and see what we can show off on this video, Frank. Okay, you'll note that there's a heavy pattern rotary table that we're looking at here. The rotary table, it has hand as well as power feed, and he's showing us the fact that it's going to rotate on a power feed situation here. That's great. As well as the fact that it can be also manually ran. Now these are going off of specific divisions that are predetermined based upon your speed and or your feed. Additionally, this table can rotate manually by hand. Now the whole entire table with the built-in rotary table on top of it moves moves towards and away from the column. Hey, it moves away. Check it out, Bill. I'd like to point out the flaking on the ways here. The condition on this machine is just absolutely amazing. And I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but we're currently running at 220 volts. Strokes per minute. Okay, there's 4 specific feeds within a range here. That was 31 strokes per minute. 48? This is 48 strokes per minute. Now the other one that's left happens to be 76 strokes per minute. And please keep in mind, it's just sitting here on a couple of wooden blocks of Machinery Consultants. So we're just going to run this for a limited amount of time. Okay, very nice, very nice. So based upon the feeds, let me just sneak in here and show them that chart. This is the feeds and the speeds chart right here. Will you stick your finger up there and show them on the top there where you were showing me on the strokes per minute there? Yeah, 19, 31, 48, and 76. Then below it's the max cutting speed in feet per minute rated at the middle of the stroke range. And again, it's a 0, or let's call it a 1 to 12 inch adjustment on the vertical adjustment. Now, longevity, that's the thing that we focus on here at Machinery Consultants. We've set up a really nice oiler package here. So what you're seeing basically is a very, very cool setup here. We have an oiler system that's set up here, so we're automatically allowing up 10 to 30 cc's per stroke on the automatic lube system that's going to go to all of the ways. The approximate dimensions on this machine are 91 inches long by 68 wide by 107 inches high. The overall weight on this machine is in the neighborhood of around 8,240 pounds. The cross travel on this machine happens to have 25 inches of cross. The diameter of the table So therefore the diameter, the roundness of the table is a full 2 foot in diameter. So please feel free to request any specifications, the full proposal, that includes the price, from us at any time. You can get to us through our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. Our phone number here is 801-531-9500. Feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call anytime. Ask for either Bill or Nicole. We'd be happy to take your call and answer what questions we may. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to point out the original flaking and show you the original flaking and the original condition of this way surface here. Absolutely amazing, flawless. Okay. So we're honored to show you this video. On behalf of Machinery Consultants, this is Bill Wilson Jr. out of Salt Lake City, Utah. Again, this is stock number 5,759. Until next time, we'd like to thank you again for your time to preview this Pratt Whitney 12-inch vertical shaper. As always, be happy, be healthy. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks again. Have a great day.